Hi, Namaste. Gloled making a 200 watt EFO model highway. This is a very slim model. You can see it's a very slim model. It's a thin model. You can see it's a thin model. So, very thin model. And it is made with a aluminum die-cast material. And we are using a high quality driver here. So, we had both upper cutoff and lower cutoff. The driver had both upper cutoff and lower cutoff. So it's a 100 watt highway driver. Okay, you can use for both upper cutoff and lower cutoff. And coming to here, we are using the 2835 LEDs. So it has almost 200 LEDs we have, and 200 LEDs. It is PCB thickness is 1.5 mm. We are using the thermal paste for heat sink purpose. So, and coming to here, we have a indicator and the cover for this, and that also has gasket. So, the gasket will protect the water and will not go inside. These highways have IP's protection, IP33 to IP45. And these highways generally used for the factory. So when we have a factory height is less than the 50 feet, then we can go use the highway. This highway gives the more production than the highways. These highways are most cost effective and you can use for the factories, workshops, kitchens, and all these areas you can use these highways. So this also has a cover. It has a cover. It is a diffuser. It can be diffused to the light. It is a transparent cover. It don't have a glass. It diffuses to the 100% light. So why we need to go for the LED, glow LED? And one thing, so we need to have high quality driver here and high heat sink and quality of LED, and all these factors gives the life of the LED light is more. And compared to marketing, the price is best price, and we will also provide the best service for the clients. These all three factors, LED will be the number one in making this light. Thank you.